Sa paglisa ng premyadong aktor na si Johnny Delgado, 3 babae ang iniwan niyang lumuluha. 3 babaeng mula ngayon haharap sa bagong bukas na wala ang lalaking naging sandigan nila sa mahabang panahon.
I have our whole life together, 31 years together, to go back to at any time. There will always be references to him sa mga iba-ibang panahon ng pagsasama namin.
Ikaw at ako. Nakasano pa ng konting shade.
Ayan na nga eh.
Mamimiss ko yung tawa niya. Mamimiss ko rin yung galit niya. Kasi si Daddy, yung pagmamahal niya, hindi siya marunong mag-middle point. Pagmahal ka niya, if he cares about you, buhos lahat.
Oo, kaya magalit. Sa ating huling hantungan.
Mamimiss ko yung, yung naalagaan ko, gano'n. Yung warmth. Yung mga yakap, gano'n. Yung boses niya, yung gano'n yung tawa niya. Kasi towards the end, di ko na naririnig.
I was at the wake of Ninong Johnny last night at nakita ko yung tibay at nanlakas ng loob ni Director Reese. How is your family coping with his loss?
Kumbaga, ang laking tulong kasi na yung passing niya was a very peaceful and beautiful passing actually. Nandun kaming lahat, family, and we were whispering to his ear, na assuring him na we were gonna be okay. And then I was praying to his ear kasi for me, yung at that moment, nawala yung ang nanaig sa akin yung I wanted him to go home. Kumbaga kay Mama Mary because that's what he's always wanted. And so,
I'm sorry, go ahead.
No, sa bahay, kumbaga, tanggap namin. Pero syempre, hindi pa talaga nagsisink in.
No matter how difficult it is. Oo,
Yeah.
talagang pray ng pray para matanggap. Pero may nakapagsabi sa akin that, did you actually talk to your dad? Or did he actually tell you that as he was going home to Mama Mary, he wanted to see your face? He wanted to, ikaw ang gusto niyang makita as he wanted to go.
Ang gusto niya makita ang last face na gusto niya makita was my mom's.
O mas Luris's?
Sabi niya, I want you to be the last person that
Sinabi
I
niya ito
see.
sa mami niya?
Sinabi niya before.
Okay.
Kaya nga nung time na medyo naghihingalo na siya, tapos nagkakaroon siya ng moments na parang dumidilat. Mom, tinatawag ko kasi para si mami yung huli.
Pero he looked very peaceful. Nung nakita ko siya, parang nakasmile siya and parang I think he's in a happy place now.
At what point were you told that the end was near?
Actually, a week ago lang. A week before his death. Dun lang. Kasi, kumbaga, syempre the doctors want to do lahat ng pwedeng gawin, di ba? Pero, when we brought him to this alternative medicine doctor na refer ni Direk Olive Lamasa na i-replenish ka with vitamins, gano'n. And then, so, si Mommy, we asked the doctor na, how serious is it? Sabi ng doctor, it's guarded. Sabi namin, what's guarded? Malubha. Sabi ni Mommy, how many months does he have? Tapos sabi sa amin, anytime. So, doon na nag-breakdown si Mommy, ako.
Ikaw, anong reaction?
Siyempre, nakita ko si Mommy, hindi ako makaano dahil... Pero yung nakakabigla kasi si Daddy, hindi mo ma-imagine siyang patay. Kasi he's so full of life, di ba? Yun eh.
That's why everyone always says, diba, they'll always remember your dad's laughter. Kasi talaga napaka-jolly niya and magaling din siya magbigay ng advice.
At saka we were watching the VTR. Angelica Panganiban was crying. Jericho was saying, itrinato nila akong anak. What is in your heart? I mean, listening to all these people pay tribute to your dad.
Namimiss ko na siya kagad. Kasi parang, and I'm so overwhelmed na laki niyang kawalan. Because hindi lang kami yung pinakitaan niya ng gano'n.
Ng kabutihan.
Ang daming nakaramdam nun. And it's true, all his friends, kumbaga si Daddy, he's not really public, hindi siya masyado nagpapa-interview, hindi naman siya pero kumbaga, pag nakilala ka niya, pag nakatrabaho ka niya, it's so sincere, malalim yung connection niya sa'yo. At matagal.
Nakakaiyak yung sinabi ni Pai na ang isa sa mga bagay na kanyang pinagsisisihan ay hindi siya nakadalaw.
Oo, kasi yung mga huli, yun nga, when we were told na anytime, sabi namin agad, we want this to be very comfortable for him, and we wanted to, immediately we texted, we called all his friends and yung family to come and say whatever, para he's given the chance to say what he wants to say. Pero si Daddy, nung dumating yung mga friends niya, puro siya, I love you. And then, it was more, he gave the people the chance to say what they wanted to say to him. Parang ganun.
So you mean to tell me na in the last week, he was still able to talk?
It was parang, in the last week, siguro first 2 days since
Pwede pa.
Yung first day, parang mahina na, pero naririnig pa. Pero
And he would respond?
Ay, yeah.
Okay.
To the last minute, siya, yung parang, mayroong response. Like, nung nagbibigay.
May moments, no?
Nung nagbibigay ako, the night before, after nagmass yung si Monsignor Clem, sabi niya sa amin, at this point, unti-unting nawawala na yung mga, sensory,
okay.
So, but the last to go, he said, was the hearing. So, sabi niya, you whisper into his ear and you touch him and you assure him that he's going to a better place.
So there was no pain?
There was no,
I'm swerte.
yung pain na he was under pain meds.
Yes.
Inasikaso talaga namin na, habi namin, if he's going, ayaw namin mag-suffer siya as much as possible. So he was under yung, parang by request. Pag nag-spasm siya, bibigyan namin.
Those last moments when you were given the chance para bumulong sa daddy mo, what did you say?
Diyos ko, ang dami ko sinabi. Pero, yun nga, I thanked him. Talaga, I thanked him for the life that he's given me and for everything na na-instill niya sa akin. And kasi si Daddy, siya yung, grabe kasi siyang, OA siyang tao, kumbaga. And siya ang nagtuturo sa amin lahat na mangarap, yung dreams. Sa kanya ko talaga yun. Na parang every time I go into something, ang layo-layo ng tingin niya, na feeling niya kaya naming abutin yun. Ikaw parang, ako very unsure, ganun. Pero siya,
Sigurado
siya. So that's what I'm really gonna miss, na ngayon, ipilitin kong ako yung mga ngarap, and I'll go for it. Parang ganun.
And that will make him happy.
When you hear messages like this, you know that the person is already at peace in heaven. But the people who are left behind, yun ang mga nahihirapan talaga. So, ako siguro gusto kong malaman, what can you tell your mom and your ate at this point? Kasi now, you only have each other.
Ayun nga, kami, ngayon, we're trying to be strong for each other. Pero, yun nga, masarap pag uwi sa bahay, pinag-uusapan pa rin namin si Daddy. Like, kung nandito si Daddy ngayon, ganun. What would he want us to feel? And
Your mom would talk about diskarte.
Diskarte. Yun, so even, nararamdaman pa rin namin siya, na parang hindi pa wala parang nandun lang
It's gonna take a while. For someone who was...
It's a blessing to feel his presence, diba?
For someone who was so...
Nare-remind yung isa't isa about him. Yun ang pinakamasakit pag wala na.
Funny,
Especially,
brilliant,
like I said, yung laughter, di ba, ni Tito Johnny.
brilliant, compassionate, humane. Ang dami
Ina, later there's a mass. Is this for showbiz friends or just for
It's for
family?
everyone who wants to come at 6 o'clock
6
sa
o'clock.
Mount Carmel Church.
Okay, and kailan yung funeral?
The funeral is on Tuesday. Ang mass 8:30 in the morning, and then we're gonna bring him na to Loyola, Marikina.
Okay.
Well, ako the sense that I'm getting here, kasi napapagkwentuhan natin ito, he must be so proud. I mean, he raised 2 beautiful children. And that's a true testament kung anong klaseng tao si Johnny Delgado. I was listening to the VTR kanina, mga kaibigan, and each one spoke about him, how he touched actors, friends, other people by just living his life. To me, that's a true measure of a man. Of how he changed and touched other people's lives that made them better people. Maraming salamat. We will miss
Thank
him.
you very much,
We will
Ina.
really,
And
truly
I
miss
really
him.
want to take this time to thank everyone who prayed for him.
Yes.
Since the time na nagbabattle siya with cancer, hanggang sa huling sandali, yung mga nagdadasal talaga. Maraming salamat.
Also, I'd like to also acknowledge the presence of Tita Chit Fileo, also my good tita, our good friend who's here at the studio. She just arrived from the States.
And Direk Luis and Anna, if you're watching, kami lahat dito sa The Buzz, sa ABS-CBN, mula sa aming mga puso, ay pagpapatuloy po namin ang aming pagmamahal at pagdadasal para sa inyo at para sa dakilang Johnny Delgado.
Thank you very much.
And one last, to children who are watching today. Alam mo, Ina, it's always nice